To form a loop, in this case, we'll be making a bead link. I slid these 2 beads onto an eye pin. We want to trim the stem. I like to use what I refer to as a cheater bead, which is a 7 to 8 millimeter bead like this blue one, as a guide for where to cut my stem. But if you don't have that, it's no problem. It's approximately a little more than 1/4 of an inch that you want at the top to cut the top of your stem to. And I like to use needle nose pliers and turn that stem at a 90-degree angle. And take your round nose pliers, grab the end of that stem, and you just start turning that in increments to form a loop. And you can line up your loops by taking your 2 tools like so.